Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting specific parts and verifying each one because small mismatches ruin optical alignment. Once you have a micro display, waveguide or prism, controller and battery, test the display with a bench power supply and a simple video driver to confirm brightness and sleep behavior. Make a quick 3D printed frame to hold the display and optics rigidly. This prevents repeated rework. Make sure to label connectors and keep a wiring diagram. This saves time when you move to alignment and firmware steps. Once the display is stable, focus on the optical path. Couple the microdisplay to the waveguide or prism so the image enters at the designed angle. You need iterative adjustments. Move the display in X, Y, and tilt while observing a high-contrast test pattern to expand the eye box and sharpen focus. Make sure to manage signal integrity. Keep short LVDS/HDMI traces, add level shifting if needed, and test timing with the controller. Once satisfied, secure mounts and address heat dissipation with a tiny heatsink or thermal tape. Finish by installing the electronics into a comfortable enclosure, routing cables safely, and adding user controls like a power switch and charger port. Flash your final firmware, enable wireless pairing, and run a calibration routine to set interpupillary distance and color balance. Make sure to test for runtime and thermal behavior during a 15-30-minute session. Adjust thermal management or brightness limits if needed. If things go wrong, recheck optical alignment, confirm stable power rails, and retry calibration. Those 3 fixes resolve most display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.